everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we will see how you can invite your friends on your Temu app. It is a very simple process. So the first thing that you want to do is open your Temu app. After opening your Temu app, make sure that you are logged in. After you have successfully logged in, press on the U icon that you see on the bottom of your phone. Tap on it. And now here you can see the option Play and Earn. Simply just tap on the Play and Earn icon. Remember, to use this feature, you have to be on US region. After you have tapped on Earn Credits and Gifts, now tap on Redeem Credit that you see here. And now tap on Start. Now tap on Refer New App Users. Here, you can simply just copy the link or share it directly to your social media apps. Here, I'm just going to copy the link. So tap on Copy Link. Here, my link is now copied. Now all I have to do is send this link to my friends. You can also copy the code in here. Simply just tap on Copy Code. And now your friends can use this code on their Temu app. And that is how you invite your friends on your Temu app. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys liked the video, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Bye bye. See you in the next.